Sig's Baby Diaper Changing Mat Pad Portable Foldablet by Sigzagor is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. This changing mat is made after looking into other portable and foldable mats. Size 30 inches 18.5 inches meet most moms' requirement. Able to store small stuff in folded bag. Lightweight and easy using. Save space for you. 1. Perfect for baby diaper changing. With snap handle portable, legit weight, around 190 grams. Foldable. Closing parenthesis. Easy for travel. 2. Big size. Mat size, 7.7 cm x 4.7 cm 30 inches 18.5 inch. Folded size bag size, 2.8 cm x 1.6 cm 11 inch 6.3 inches 3. Fabric, pull, micro fleece. Same as the cloth diaper fabric. 4. How to wash, same as cloth diaper, tumble dry low or line dry, no bleach, no softeners, no rash cream.